Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. In this video, I want to quickly show you how to create documents with a PDF by uploading a PDF basically. So in case you didn't know, Funneltopia has a full-on documents and contracts capability. Let's say it's a DocuSign replacement. So yeah, just so you know, there's a full functionality for that. And if we go to payments, documents and contracts, all documents, contracts, let's create a new one. And in this case, we can obviously create a new document and kind of just create it from scratch, or we have a PDF we can upload and then we can add the necessary fields and then we can send it out. So that makes it easier. So we want to click on upload a PDF. So I have some sort of just a template, basic one. It's not filled or anything, but yeah, just for example purposes for the video, uploaded it from my computer. Okay, so this automatically takes us in. So if we scroll all the way down over here, and then we want to add an element, let's drag it here. We can add in the different types of fields, right? So obviously this is maybe not the perfect example, but the fields you might want to add is the signature field, right? This one actually could be like a signature, for example. Let's say this is a signature field. We can add it in here. We can resize it, right? And then also we can add in a date field over here, add in a date field. And there's other fields you can like click on here, elements, you can check them out. Text field over here, right? We can add this one in. And what else? That's kind of, yeah, for this one, that's going to be fine. And over here, we can add recipients. So this, yeah, this is the one. So yeah, let's add this. If there's multiple recipients, you can also set an assigning order. If you want the one person to sign first, and then the next one, then the next one. If this is off, then let's say there's 3 people here, it gets sent out to all the people, right? So we're going to do that in this case. Over here, also, if you click on these, here, if you have several people, you want to assign the person, right? The person who should be filling these out. So let's say there's several signatures needed. So you click on the signature, and then it's going to be assigned to a specific person. You don't want someone else to sign, just kind of sign whatever they want to sign. No, everyone has their own fields, and then they have their own date field as well. So yeah, that's kind of makes it pretty simple. And over here, obviously, you can rename it. Change proposal, right? We can add that here. We can save it. We can preview it. Let's close this. Let's preview. Here's the document. If we scroll down, you can see the fields over here, right? Let's go back. And also over here, we can click on send. So send via email or share via link. So if we want to send via email, obviously that contact that just got added, their email address. They need to have an email address. So let's just click that. It was sent. I guess we can go check it out, what it looks like on the email end. So over here, it came in a couple seconds later. Over here, we can view the document. Let's click on it. That's going to give us the document. 3 required fields, right? Those are assigned to my name. Let's say there's several people. Then, those are, yeah, it shows how many fields are there that I need to fill out. So start filling out, right? It takes us right to it. Whatever the value, whatever it might be asking for. Yeah, I'm just kind of, yep, let's do that. Accept and sign. That's my signature. And then the date, whatever the date is, right? Let's do the date and finish. Okay, yeah, and over here, it gives the notification. So that's it. That's it. On the other end, that's a pretty simple process. Also, in order to automatically send an invoice after it's been signed, we can go to invoice settings for this one. Let's go back. Now let's go back here. And then let's go to settings over here. Product invoicing. And then we switch this on, right? You can read it here. Send invoices automatically after document completion. So we can click on it here. Let's save. So that's kind of the quick version, just kind of blitz through. But yeah, the capability is there. You can upload a PDF, not just create one from scratch. That makes it a lot easier. So you had like some sort of a PDF document, a template on your computer, but also you can save that as a template here as well. When you're in the doc at the top right, there's an option to save it as a template. So you have that flexibility as well. But yeah, that's kind of the very, very, very quick version. Documents and contracts. Definitely a good feature from Funneltopia. But if you have any questions about this, anything else Funneltopia related, click on down here, 24/7 chat support, or make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But yeah, if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.